Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to simply hyperlink in Reddit. So on Reddit you will have to go to create right here, select the community where you want to post your post, and then enter title of your post. Now simply enter the body text which you can use to hyperlink. Then simply select the text and click right here on this link button. Now, as you can see, this is the text, and here you will have to put the link. So I will go right here and copy the link of this YouTube channel and put it right here. So it will be hyperlinking this YouTube channel. As you can see, when I post my post, you can simply click on the hyperlink and the link will open. It is really simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.